Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel A Monk in Cloud. As you have already seen the thumbnail, in this video I'm gonna break down should you get a degree in cloud computing to land a cloud job? So I'm being asked by this question wherever I go or on my social media handles. Let's break this down. There is a common myth among all the cloud practitioners, so I'm just gonna explain my view whether you need a degree in cloud computing or not, right? So let me go back to my blogging site here. So if you see here, I've put my views here, and all these are my personal views. I'm not representing any organization. Okay, so to answer the the most asked question, do you need a degree and is it worth it, right? So to answer, you don't have to. You don't necessarily need a degree in cloud computing to excel in cloud career, right? So while a degree in computer science or a related field can be helpful, it is not the only path to success in cloud industry, right? Uh, s- uh, I have seen many people who do not have a degree in cloud or degree in computer science or anything, so they are working in cloud, right? It is just your passion. You have to learn, and there are many ways on how you can learn cloud computing, right? So many successful professionals in cloud computing field come from diverse educational and professional backgrounds, including mathematics, engineering, information technology, and even non-technical fields, right? In addition to formal education, practical experience and hands-on training are also valuable for building expertise in cloud computing. So I would say, instead of getting a degree in cloud computing, go sign up for some courses and get your hands-on practice, right? So build projects, showcase that on your site, or create a YouTube channel. You know, bring up your own portfolio so that they, if a recruiters they see at your profile, they should understand that this guy has got hands-on experience, right? So I'm telling you, instead of getting a degree, go get a course, right? Build hands-on project. I'm not recommending any courses. If you want, you can learn online. There are sites from AWS, Azure, where you can go and view all the white papers and all. But I'm just saying, if you want to, instead of getting a degree, just go get a course, build hands-on projects, right? And I've mentioned here, if you see here, certifications are another way to demonstrate your knowledge and skills in cloud computing. So if you think that you have some IT industrial experience, you straight away go and pick up associate level certifications and try to clear them. Take time, there is no problem at all. Take 3 months of time, get each and every small topic clear, right? For example, basic things also you need to know how Linux works, right? Because cloud, if you jump into cloud, all the servers or anything that you see in cloud, it's all about Linux, right? So I prefer learning Linux thoroughly before getting into cloud industry, right? So that will help you a lot. Look, you can also look for cloud providers such as Azure, AWS, and also Google Cloud platforms. They offer some discounts on their certification. So there are some programs that are running all throughout the year. You can visit their sites, and if I come across them, I definitely make a video of them, and it would be out on my channel. So subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell icon so that whenever I drop a video, it will be inbox. Okay, so these certifications can help you stand out to potential employers and demonstrate your commitment to continuous learning and development, right? In summary, while a degree in cloud computing or a related field can be helpful, it is not a requirement for successful career in cloud industry. So practical experience, hands-on training, and certifications are also valuable ways to build expertise and advance in this field, right? Getting a degree in cloud computing can certainly help you in securing a job in cloud industry, but it is not a guarantee. right? So we have seen in India, most of them, we are engineers, and I have seen personally computer science graduates, they do not have a job yet. So I'm not, saying that, I'm not joking around here, but I'm telling the reality, right? It is important to keep in mind that the cloud computing industry is still relatively new and rapidly evolving, and the job requirements and qualifications can vary depending on the organization and the specific role. So, in addition to formal education, practical experience and skills are also important for securing a job in cloud computing industry. Hands-on experience with cloud platforms, tools and technologies is often highly valued by employers. Practical experience can be gained through internships, personal projects. I am saying this from long back, build personal projects, or by working in related fields such as software engineering or DevOps. So, DevOps and software engineering, it is kind of hard to get straight away, but you can start by, if you're a fresher, I'm saying only in terms of a fresher, you can start with the basics. Networking and building professional connections can also help you to learn about job opportunities and connect with potential employers in cloud computing industry, right? So you can attend industrial events, meetups and conferences, as well as being an active professional social media platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube. You can post your, whatever you study, just make a video of it and post it on YouTube. So it can help you build a professional network, and also people who are interested in learning the same can also get benefited by that, right? In summary, I would say while getting a degree in cloud computing can certainly help you to get a job in cloud industry, it's not a guarantee, right? Practical experience, skills, networking, and staying up to date with the latest cloud technologies and trends are very much important for the success in the cloud industry, right? So that's it I had for today. I hope I have, make some, valuable things for you. So I have described my own views on, degree in cloud computing is worth it or not. So these are my personal views. So if you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.